Hi and welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how to export and import DOTEspaces in DOTEbase. So basically, if you have worked on a dataset or whatever you are doing in DOTEbase, you can export the DOTEspace so other researchers or students can continue working on the project. So both the import and export option is located on the files, and first we will look at the export option. So if we hit export, then a new window will open, and then you can decide where you want to export the file to. So browser for location, and do that someplace on your hard drive or an external hard drive. Next thing you want to consider is if you want to export the checkpoints, the auto backups, the collections data, and the presets for clips. And then you can decide which of the DOTEspaces that you want to export. So this is the Lego demo project that we are trying to demo how to export that. So you can also see inside that there's a lot of different info from this individual DOTEspace that we can include in our export. We can decide to remove the canvas data. We can remove one of the projects. We could even go further down and say, I don't want to include the media clips. So really there's a lot of settings that you can toggle on and off when you export the data from DOTEbase. So here we could just decide to have everything included, and as soon as we have selected a path for the file, I'll just use this, then we can export the project. So this is allowing you to share your DOTEbase DOTEspaces, and you can decide on which on how you want to send that project to other participants in your research team. It's also very nice for keeping backups of your data and project, so that's also a possibility. But yeah, there's a lot of things to consider when you are exporting, and really you can decide on your own what level of information that you want to include in the export. So we'll just leave that for now. It will take a few seconds, maybe a minute, depending on how large your data set is and the project that you're working in DOTEbase. So we will cancel that, and then we will have a look at the import. So if you have received a project from fellow research colleagues or students or whatever, then you can go to import, and then you will need to locate the file. It is important, as it's also visible here, that it is the extension .DOTEspace that you need to locate. So I will try to do that. We have the Lego demo DOTEspace right here, and then we will import that to our project. And you can see the file extension right here. So we hit open. Then we need to find a place to put this data, to put the project. And here I will go to my preferred folder, and then I'll just call test thing and create that. And then the project that we import, it will be located here, and then I will call it something new, Lego dummy project. And also here you can see that you can decide which information that you want to include in your import. So I could remove these, and then I will not import the canvas data, the collections data, and so on and so on. And now we're ready to import, and we'll do that. It will take a few seconds. And just like that, we now have the project that we have that we wanted to import. We have a new DOTEspace over here, Lego dummy project. You can see all the contents of the project file, and now we're ready to continue our work. So this was a very basic tutorial on how to export and import DOTEspaces in DOTEbase. We hope that you can see the benefits of doing that in DOTEbase, and please follow our YouTube channel and subscribe to our videos.